So we are solving from the chapter probability exercise 22D, and let's see the second question. What is the probability of getting 3 white balls in a draw of 3 balls from a box containing 6 white and 4 red balls? So what do we have in question? It says that total number of balls are 6 and 4, that is 10. There are 6 white balls and 4 red balls, and therefore there are total 10 balls. So how can we draw 3 balls out of 10 balls? So that is total number of drawing 3 balls out of 10 balls. Okay, so we need to choose 3 balls from 10 balls, and that can be done in 10C3 ways. So how this combination and permutation works, this we have already seen in the chapter permutation and combination, right? So these are the 3 balls that needs to be taken out from 10 balls, and that can be done in 10C3 ways. Okay, next is total number of ways, or total number of ways of drawing 6 balls. No, we need 3 white balls. So let us draw total number of ways of drawing 3 white balls out of 6 white balls, because in the bag there are 6 white balls. Drawing 3 white balls out of 6 white balls. So these 3 balls can be chosen in 3C6 ways. Okay, so these 3 balls are taken out of 6 balls, and that can be done in 3 6. The 6 will come here. It is out of 6 we are drawing 3 balls. So 6 C3 ways. Okay, therefore the probability means total number of drawings, that is these 3 balls can be drawn in 10C3 ways. These are the total possible outcomes, and out of which white balls can be drawn in 6C3 ways. So therefore we need, the question has asked, what is the probability of getting 3 white balls? Therefore I can say probability of white balls is 6C3, that is total number of possibilities of drawing 3 white balls out of 6 white balls is 6C3 upon total number of possible outcomes, which is 10C3. Correct? Because it is number of sample points in event A upon number of sample points in our sample space, that is S, right? So 6C3 upon 10C3. So let us apply the formula and find the value. So this comes out to be 6 factorial, that is n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial, right? And this upon, again let's write this equal to sign here, and then this is 10 factorial upon 3 factorial into 7 factorial. Let's simplify. So you get this as 6 factorial, and this 3 factorial goes to the denominator, 10 factorial goes to the numerator. This 3 factorial into 7 factorial goes to the numerator upon 3 factorial into 3 factorial into 10 factorial. Denominator goes to the numerator. This comes here. So 3 factorial cancels out, and then you can simplify this. 6 factorial can be written as 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorials into 7 factorials. This is 3 factorials. 10 factorial can be written as 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 factorials. Let's cancel all the factorials term first, and we get 6 into 5 into 4 upon 10 into 9 into 8. So on simplifying this, you get value as 1 by 6. So this is 1 by 6. So your probability of getting 3 white balls is 1 by 6.